Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So after a very long time I'm going to pause this video. So let's start our video. I'm hungry. मुझे भूख लगी है. I'm angry with you. Then we will play. Don't lie. What did you eat? Go back. You are very bad. You are very good. My hands are dirty. I am thirsty. I forgot. Don't be shy. Set the table. Very good. Go to bed. So you can read Urdu vocabulary words there. Nothing else. Be careful right now. Take it. Taste it. What happened? I don't know. No problem. It's okay. Stand up. Sit down. Eat it. Walk slowly. Come here. Speak loudly. Keep quiet. Come in. So, Urdu sentences are already written there. Get ready. Anything special? Something special. Don't cry. Don't shout. Let's play a game. Stand still. Don't move. Go upstairs. Go downstairs. Repeat after me. Try again. Get up. Walk up. Wake up. Be happy. So, just repeat it after me. Put your books in the bag. Never, कभी नहीं. Clean it, इसे साफ करो. Never mind. Repeat it, इसे दोहराओ. Whenever you will say something, just repeat this thing after me. Take bath, नहा लो. Go and play. Say goodbye. Take a bite. एक नवाला ले लें. Take a sip. मतलब एक घूंट पी लें किसी भी चीज़ का, जूस का, पानी का. This one, that one. Do it fast. Hurry up. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.